Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best split bolt connector. Morris Products 90572 direct burial lay-in connector. The durability of these direct burial lay-in connectors for copper conductors are designed for use on grounding applications such as swimming pools and spa equipment. This direct burial lay-in connector is made from high-strength copper alloy containing 80% more copper. Safety approved. Complete with a stainless steel screw, this direct burial lay-in connector is coolest listed and UL 467 listed for direct burial and grounding bonding applications. Superior strength split bolt connector. These high-grade US manufactured copper connectors have been tested and UL approved for copper and copper weld stranded wires. Premium construction. Made from high-grade, high copper alloy, highly resistant to corrosion and severe weather conditions. Use these high-strength split bolt connectors to connect multiple copper wires together without the need for a crimping tool or to ensure a secure connection amongst a combination of connectors. Gardner Bender GSBC-2/0 solid copper split bolt connector. All copper alloy construction for high mechanical strength, maximum conductivity and low resistance. Meant for copper-to-copper connections, torque with standard wrenches. All listed and CSA certified, resistant to various seasonal environments by preventing cracking and corrosion. SB8 split bolt, all listed. This copper-to-copper bonding connector bonds together 16 to 4 AWG solid copper wires. It is made from high-strength copper alloy and highly resistant to corrosion and seasonal cracking. The design provides, under torque, high contact pressure between conductors. What's more, it's all listed. Southwire SB6-10 CPDQ2, 2PK split bolt connector. Split bolts perfect for splicing, tapping, and terminating conductors in grounding applications. Run number 6 STR number 10 STR, tap number 6 STR number 10 Sol. Dual rated for use with AL and CU conductors, rated 600 volts, 90C. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.